The body shop, y'all. Picking up the A4. It's right here. I'm smiling for a reason. Crazy transformation. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle, everybody. I'm glad to be making this video right now. I have been slacking. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That's why we just jumped from the last video y'all saw was me picking up this Chrysler Town and Country that I'm in from Odessa. But we're fast forwarding it a couple of days and we're now driving this car. So I've actually had this car for a couple of days, y'all. We did the rear brakes and rotors, the rear calipers. We did a power steering cooler. We did a power steering line. We did a new battery. What else? Oh, the clunking that y'all was hearing is from this seat back here. As you guys can see, it's not a stow and go seat. So these metal things, they clamp on the seat or whatever. And basically, that's making noise once we hit bumps. So I'm not even finna play around with this car. I'm not finna make it perfect. I'm about to clean this joint out and then we're finna sell it. So maybe we'll make $100, $200, but more than likely we're gonna break even or lose $100, $200. So I'll give you guys the final breakdown on the price of what we into the car and all that stuff. Like once we basically sell that car, I'll do that on a different vlog or whatever, because I don't want to jump into that. I wanted to kind of give y'all an update what we got going on. All right, car sold. 2007 Audi A6 was sold yesterday. We got the 2010 Chevy Aveo sold. We got the 2011 Ford Fiesta sold. We got the, hold on, matter of fact, let me go on my Instagram real quick and I'll tell y'all. And like I keep on telling y'all, if y'all follow me on Instagram, then y'all would know what I'm selling. Or on Facebook, you can go to Major Motors Automotive Group. That's the company, y'all. So I'm giving y'all the updates because everybody keep on telling me that I'm not giving y'all updates. So I want to make sure I do that before we jump into this video. So hold on. You can fast forward if you want to get to the action because it should be happening soon. What else we got sold? Oh, the 2007 BMW is sold. So we sold 4 cars, y'all. All sedans gone. I cannot move them, the Escalade or the Suburban worth anything. Every time I mention one of them things, like the customers will be like, nah, I'm good. So anyways, it is what it is. Here, this is right here, man. The Chrysler Town and Country. Like I said, it's not cleaned up yet. That little tapping y'all hearing right there, that's actually a lifter tap. I can't conclude that's a lifter tap. But the thing runs good, man. It's got the 3.8 in it. It is what it is. Somebody's gonna end up buying this thing for like $1,500 or something like that, you know. Here's the Chrysler Pacifica, man. This thing is almost done as well. The only thing that we're waiting on is Chris to throw the bushings in the front and then we'll be straight. This thing's pretty clean. There are the bushings right there. He said it's just gonna be a little job to do, so he's got to bring it to work. But his job doesn't want him really working on outside cars right now, so he's gonna figure all that out. I'm gonna jump into the garage right now for you guys because I want you to see what we picked up. Man, we picked up a beauty. Chevy Malibu. Y'all know this is like one of my favorites. I'm trying to make sure I get y'all a good view on this car. Chevy Malibu, man. This is a 2011 with 140-something thousand miles on it, y'all. It's got that leather / suede interior. And we need to put a front left wheel bearing in it. I just picked up the wheel bearing from AutoZone. Cost me $102. And then I'm gonna get an oil change on it. And then we're gonna basically post this thing online. So it's got the sunroof, as you guys can see. Basic and then it's got the aftermarket Kenwood DVD player. So y'all comment, let me know how much would y'all post this joint for. It is the LT model with the 3.6. So I think it's cool, and it's pearl white. So if you can't see it, man, it's pearl white. So I think this thing's gonna do numbers. I'm happy about it. I'm ecstatic about it and all that good stuff. Right here, I'm actually picking up this bumper right now. This bumper was for my Nissan Altima. So I was going to replace the bumper. The bumper cost me $170, but Chris bought this new tool or whatever to repair the bumpers. So it like welds, and then you can like it like staples into whatever, you know, plastic. And so it was able to weld it, and he did it for free just because he wanted to try it out. So it worked out. It's cool. So now the Altima is like basically put together. Like I told y'all, gonna keep it for gas miles and all that, but man, everything must go. The only thing that's not gonna ever be sold is gonna be that van. Like, I'm not even finna play around with it. I'm trying to run this bag up, and I think everybody should try to run a bag up at all times, right? But we're gonna get on the road, y'all. We got a couple things to do. I got like a car to pick up. Oh man, we about to go pick up the A4, matter of fact, so let's get to it. All right, y'all, we are here at the shop, the body shop, y'all, picking up the A4. It's right here. I'm smiling for a reason. Crazy transformation. Here she is, man. There she is, man. If y'all remember this thing, it was rusty as hell. It's no longer having that rust. I'm looking for just any imperfections. Hey, he did pretty dang good on this one, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Oh, he even did that. He did that for free, y'all. Okay, because that was all rusty. I told him don't even worry about it. So he went ahead and hit it. This side got this. I don't like this right here, though. That's supposed to have been fixed, but it still looked better than what it was looking like, man. This is a 100% a complete transformation from what we had. If y'all can see, like, that plastic guard isn't there anymore, but I mean, it wasn't there in the first place, so I'm not tripping on that. Look like he missed a spot right here. But the price that I paid, though, I can't even be that mad. I'm cool with this. This is sellable. This is sellable. Let me show y'all the interior of this joint for the new people. This needs to be cleaned. I think I'm gonna get it. I might end up getting it detailed, or I might just do this one myself because it isn't that bad. Hopefully we don't get too busy. Then it's got that dust from or primer or whatever from his paint or whatever. So we'll see how that come out. But yeah, this is cool, man. I like it. What up, man? I'm filming today. Oh, you filming? Yeah, get away. That's my uncle right there. Yeah, I'll be in there in a second. That's my uncle Alvin. He don't like the camera too much, y'all. So anyways, man, this is the Malibu that we are dropping off. I'm just gonna have him knock this out. Hopefully that don't hit me too much. And then I'm gonna do that myself, like just hit the little touch up. I'm gonna have him knock this out too, matter of fact. Why not? Have it looking better. This thing here, we still gotta bring it to the mechanic. We actually gotta do a head gasket on it. We did everything we were supposed to do on the cylinder 2 or 3 misfire, but it's not being fixed. So we talked to the machine shop, Chris did, and we got to put a head gasket. But it's cool though. It's got 120-something thousand miles on it, y'all. I'll be able to still make money on it once I put the head gasket in. So again, man, when you buy cheap enough on some of these cars, if you're taking risks, then you always got room for mistakes. But when you pushing that margin line, it's less room for error. But anyways, let me get this thing paid, and then we're going to drive this Audi, get this on the road, and then get to where we got to go. Let's get it. Decided to divide and conquer, y'all. So I'm actually dropping the Audi off to Brian's. I'm here right now. He's going to do the oil change, and then he's going to figure out this evap leak while we go focus on some more cars. So let me actually close the sunroof real quick. So, but yeah, so I'm cool with that. Not gonna try to overwhelm Chris because we got a lot of projects that we got, so might as well just try to, you know, get as many as we can back on the road. So let's get it, man. Here we are, y'all. Then made it to the Dodge Grand Caravan. Just getting ready to say town and country, but as y'all can see, it's got rust just like the other ones. Tires are like, I don't know, 30% tread maybe. It's looking like. Body, I mean, overall it's actually pretty good, considering the year and where we're at. Let's open up this door real quick. All right, that door is not working. The power lock is not working for the back. Sneak my hand up in here real quick. Boom. The interior is pretty clean though. Stow and go seats, so that's good. That's going to be able to, you know, give me a little bit more wiggle room on the prices, or price, not prices. Let's go ahead and pop this hood and see what she's looking like there. It'll be good if it doesn't have any type of leaks, but you know, something this old, you bound to probably have a couple of little small leaks, but we'll see. This thing. Okay. Boom. All right, so it's got the 3.3 in there, so the smaller V6 that they made, not the 3.8 or less horsepower. And it is a little wet under there as I thought. Probably need to check this oil. I guarantee you this crap is black. Look at that. The windshield wiper fluid got aluminum foil on top of there. So kind of expect that with these older cars. And the oil's not, oh, it's actually pretty clean, y'all. So let me pull that up for y'all. It's pretty clean. So, well, I mean, let's see. Now we got to figure out, hold on, y'all, man. It's difficult, man. I need somebody to come out here and start videotaping for your boy, man. I know this camera a little bit off right now, but let's see what we got. Okay, it's under the minimum. I don't know if y'all can see that, so most definitely need to get an oil change on it. I'd rather just give the oil changes on these cars, y'all, instead of topping it out. Hold on, gotta fix the camera. I'd rather do that because at the end of the day, what's an extra $15–20 to get you a kind of a good selling point on these vehicles? I think I just broke. Oh, yo, I just did something stupid. I think I just broke the key. Ah, that's not good, man. I got lucky. Hold on. All right, we good. Key's cool. All right. Boom. Start this joint up. Got 203,000 miles on it, y'all. Fix this dang camera. All right, let's check out these electronics. That's good. No back window. Let's see if the radio works. All right, radio works. The fan is working. Cut that down. We got nice weather in Minnesota today, baby. Let's get it. So we're gonna take this thing on a test drive. Obviously, man, we got 45 minutes to go. So yeah, this is gonna be a little ride. All right, y'all. We're doing a little slow speeds right now. We are at 40. We can get it up to about 50. Going down here, 55, something like that. We up to 50, so it's doing okay. I feel like a little slight rotor warp because I'm getting a pulsating in the foot. Let's go down like on a straight. Let me see if I can get this thing off of this little. All right. Okay, so it's going straight. That's good. I didn't get any clunks or anything funny like that, so that's good as well. This AC is not the coldest, but it is a little cold, so we probably gotta do an AC recharge on that. Let's see if I can get it a little faster, y'all. All right, we up to 60, so that's good. All right, that's pretty. Let me see if I can get it up a little bit more. All right, 65. Oh yeah, get money, that's all I gotta say, man. Yeah, okay, cool. So we got 30 something minutes, y'all, to get to my place because I'm going straight home. I'm running a little bit late. I gotta go pick up Parker, y'all, get him off the bus, man. So I'm gonna give y'all obviously that final update if the car is good once we get there. So stay tuned, and then hopefully we're good, and then we can go ahead and get this thing recharged. And if that goes well, then we can get this thing posted. Let's get it.
Taking over, taking off. He's spazzing like he got the spaz. Woo, woo, woo. I'm up. We up. I'm up.
Hey, y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and say I'm counting my blessings, man. I think that this is a good one, man. I had this thing all the way up to 80. We're about 5 minutes away from my house. So I'm gonna go ahead and just say that that's a complete trip, man. So this most definitely was a good buy. Just got a couple of things to do. You know, I don't even think that's $100 if I'm going off the top of my head here. Probably like $50 to $75 of parts or whatever I got going on. So that's nothing, man. So I'm gonna get this thing together. We're gonna get this thing posted. We're gonna get this thing sold. Should be able to get this thing ready within today, I would say, man. Yeah, I'm cool with it, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. If you did end up liking this video, you guys, as you guys can see, man, I got traffic, man. So I'm multitasking right now, trying to end this video with you guys while staying safe, man. So either way it goes, man, I'll see you on the next one. If you like this one, go ahead and most definitely give your boy the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all that good stuff, man. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.